This section is more on factoring, I believe, so let's try these problems out. As always, please try the problems first on your own by pausing the video, and then come back to see how I think through the problems and work them out. All right, number one, which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above from here to here? Okay, well, let's see. We can factor out, let's put like a parentheses over here. Can't I factor out a 1 plus 2x? This is a 1 out in front, right? I can factor out the 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x times 1 minus x. And that's the answer. Should be B. Okay? What is the value of x if rx plus sx equals 3 and r plus s is 1/3? Okay, so here I can factor out the x. R plus s is 3. They tell us r plus s is a third, so x times 1/3 is 3, and therefore x would be 9. All right? Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? Okay, so I could already tell from the first two terms, I can factor out a 2a. That would be what? X minus 3. From these two terms, I can factor out a negative 3. Okay. Now here, I can factor out the x minus 3 from both. Let me put some parentheses in like this to maybe help you see it better. So x minus 3 times 2a minus 3. So x minus 3, 2a minus 3, I believe that is D then. Okay, this is a very quick video so far. Okay, we're halfway done already. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? Well, the first two terms, I can factor out n. So n times m minus 5 minus m plus 5. Let's write it like this first. From these two terms, I can factor out a negative 1 if I really wanted to. Minus 1 times m minus 5. Okay, now these two are, this is common to both, so m minus 5 times n minus 1. That is A. Right? Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? Okay, so it looks like the first two terms we could factor out a 7y, right? So 7y times y minus 3x, okay? The next two, if I want to get a y minus 3x, I'm already thinking about this, I would need to factor out minus 2, right? So it'll be y minus 3x. If I distribute this back in, I should get that right. So this is y minus 3x times 7y minus 2. Y minus 3x and y minus 3, that's C, right? Okay, last one. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? Okay, there's more terms here, so maybe let us peek at the answers already. Does that kind of help us? So maybe just by looking over here, the factor, one of the factors is x minus 2y plus 3z. Okay, so can we get that from over here? What if I factor out minus 2w? So I would have x minus 2y plus 3z. Again, this is not coincidence, right? So sometimes looking at the choices helps if you have no idea. Again, sometimes it can mislead you, but sometimes it can help. It really depends on your skill level. Okay, so now factor the x minus 2y plus 3z, and then we have a 1 minus 2w still. So 1 minus 2w, x, so the answer is B, right? And that's it. Less than 5 minutes, I finished this. So this was all about being able to pick out basically the GCF from terms, okay? Now this time, the GCF wasn't like a single number or a single product of two things. It could have been more complex, like 1 plus 2x was the GCF, so we can factor that out. This doesn't matter, it's still the GCF, it's just a little more complicated than a single term. But you can still factor it out because it's common to all terms. Okay, that's the moral of this practice set looks like. Okay, hopefully it was easy for you. If not, then study why you struggled, find out why you struggled, and do more practice problems, and then you'll get better for sure. All right, please like and subscribe. As always, if you found this helpful or interesting, and please look up for the next video.